Hey man, I'm chilling outside. I just seen that nigga Cat, man. That boy on, man. Let go over there. He in a different whip, man. Shit. Hello, bro.
Hey, man.
Hello, bro.
How I doing, man?
Good. How you know what I'm saying? You spot somebody in the A.
Huh?
How you good, man? What you doing on my block, man?
Hey, man.
What you doing getting gas on my block like this shit sweet?
Hey, man, what you doing out here, bro?
What you mean, man?
You ain't supposed to be out here, bro. We in the hood right now. Hey,
Hey, man, I don't need to sound confident, man. That way. Going around. But now I need some gas, man. Put me on 20.3. Let's do it. Davo.
Yeah.
How you feeling, man?
Shit. Good.
Good.
Honestly, amazing.
What's up?
Shit. Work.
Working?
Yeah.
Hey, we just did a podcast and shit, man. You know we going stupid. Appreciate it. So we on pump. How you doing? This shit look different, though.
Yeah. They've been building in here. You know, I said, you know, they've been building in here, construction and shit.
I ain't even know that. Where the water's at? We don't need none of that nasty.
None of that energy.
Huh?
You don't need no energy drink today?
Nah.
You know, you're the energy drink king.
Nah. I ain't never drunk one of them.
Oh.
Wrong person.
That 4-5.
See me? Deer Park.
So 4-5 drink now?
4-5 be buzzing them bitches. Me? Okay.
Yeah, thank you. You're awesome. Thank you. See you later.
Let me get you some candy.
Can I get 1603, please?
1603.
Yes, ma'am.
You want a receipt?
No, I'm good, thank you.
1609.
Thank you.
What's up? Give me the background.
Yeah.
Damn, did my stupid ass not bring my what's name?
But she was just shaking ass on camera.
For real?
Yes.
Yeah, nothing to do with me.
But Camera Cat dipped out fast, didn't it?
My boy don't be bullshitting. That boy said he about to get some ass.
That boy said, yeah, I'm gonna drop something off. You know I was recording that shit the whole time on the podcast?
No cap.
Oh
For real?
God.
You gonna keep it in there?
Nah, I'm talking about the shit with the stripper.
What's true?
With Vontae.
Oh, for
Yeah.
real? Damn, I ain't know that.
Why you think I was like, yeah, I was recording the whole time?
I ain't even know that. I ain't even know that, son. That's crazy. Hey, we're in the city. My boy Davo said he hungry. What the fuck? Boy Davo said he hungry, so we about to
pop up on what's the name, man? Leak ass.
Oh, fuck.
What the hell you just do?
Yeah, let's pop up on leak.
I caught that shit on camera.
Fuck, why'd you need that shit, man?
Oh shit.
I tried to put my leg up, and I tried to be cool and put my leg up. Man,
This
let pop on and boy see what's going on.
This is side that they don't see, the uncut.
Hey, yeah, that's uncut they fuck, boy, cause that shit just hurt. I ain't gonna lie.
Nigga said, I'm human, I go through real pain.
Boy, damn.
That leg, y'all rub his knee real quick.
Nah, fuck with me, man. Appreciate it.
That wasn't zesty.
Nah, that ain't zesty cause they love me.
Yeah, only they can do that.
If you love somebody, you can't be gay. Can't be zesty.
So who the only people that can rub your leg?
Huh?
Who the only people that can rub your knee if it hurt?
And they love me.
That's
My
it?
mama. And Surreal. And my nah, I'm bullshit.
Oh, he go laugh. Hell.
Cut. Outside wherever, hell.
It's a real life NPC. That nigga right there, he got on a green shirt with shorts.
What's wrong with that? What about him?
Yeah, he got on denim jeans.
He just threw some waves, NPC ass shit.
And that, but he just turned.
Pete the wallet, man. W. Open it real quick.
Alright, pull up.
Show my cash out.
Y'all go ahead and send
No, Davo, cut that shit. Niggas gonna be requesting this shit, man. I ain't got time for this shit. Well, me ain't got time for this shit, man.
That shit happened to you before?
Man, god damn. Crazy shit that happened, bro. A water boy. Man, so, you know I don't carry cash, man. Water boy came to my shit. I
I ain't thirsty, but like I fuck with them. They were like, Avery B, I like your YouTube. I'm like, I'ma fuck with you, twin.
That's
I cash out, bro, like $10. The water's only $1.
Yeah.
I only got one water, cashed out him like $10. 2 days later, he requested some more.
How much you requested?
He requested like another 10. I'm like,
that boy requested 100. You know, water boy.
I'm like, you doing too
different.
much, bro. I blocked his ass.
Bro, you should never block him. Maybe he was trying to get, you know, water $3. 3 times 3, 9.
I already gave him 10.
He could have got 3 cases of water.
I already gave him 10.
Which means his profit would have upped.
Hey, go tell your mama.
Hey, go that's what don't tell me, cause I don't care.
I had gave him 10. You supposed to take that 10 and got do what you do. Flip that. Stack it, flip it, make that profit. What
Bro, look at them damn NPCs right there, bro.
Nigga, is you an NPC nigga?
I don't know, I might just be. I'll be having like set fits and shit.
Every B ain't gas and shit. Go take that shit to Tesco.
You pumping gas, nigga. You an NPC.
Go take that shit.
Nigga about to get a receipt. Look at this shit.
I pretty know.
Nah, it just ain't had no paper in that bit. Alright, bro. What we on to now? What we on to now, bro?
You said you want some food, huh?
Hey, I gotta try this credit card, see if it works.
What you want to eat, bro?
My first meal on the credit card. I don't know, surprise me.
Cop.
Fuck no. Let's go to Moe's.
That's what you want?
Chipotle.
Bro, what you want, man? You got everything for the spot?
No.
So we gotta come back to the spot?
Yeah.
So what you want?
Chipotle. Can you rock with that?
It's on you,
Nigga, what you want?
I don't know, bro. I honestly don't know.
I'm telling y'all, this nigga AI, he don't be eating and he don't talk. Oh. Niggas riding bikes. Some NPC ass shit.
Ah, shit.
What's up with you, bro?
She keep hearing my damn self, man.
Fuck. Hey, biking.
What you want, Chipotle?
Hey, yeah.
They Every Gang, so that boy Davo is in Chipotle right now. I was gonna get Chipotle, but I remember I still owe y'all Jamaican food, you feel me? So I'm not going in there, I'm just gonna go get some Jamaican food and then eat it for the first time on vlog. I know y'all was talking about Jamaican food and telling me all about it and stuff like that. I never had it, so I know y'all want to see that experience. Y'all want to experience with me on camera. And maybe some of y'all never had Jamaican food, so I'm gonna be y'all true taste tester of the Jamaican food, you feel me? So y'all boys stay tuned to that. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm getting, how I'm getting it, where I'm getting it, all that extra shit, man. So yeah, let's do it. They Every Gang, what's going on, man? I told y'all boys I'm going to get some Jamaican food. So now we about to get some Jamaican food. You said curry chicken, twin?
Yeah.
You said not the jerk shit, cause jerk, that shit spicy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, man. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully you lead me in the right direction. I'm gonna give y'all boys my honest opinion too. Feel me? Oh, go ahead. Oh, my bad, you recording? You feel me? We just got that jerk chicken. I don't know, bro. It look nasty. I ain't gonna lie to you. That shit don't look good.
Man, you talking about you want to go to Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
You know that's all they eat down there, right?
Crazy as fuck. I'm going on a resort.
You don't think they gonna have that type of shit?
Hell no. Eat me a goddamn burger.
That's your problem.
Sandwich.
You need to try new shit.
Y'all stay tuned to the mukbang. I'm gonna let y'all know how I feel. No cat, let's do it. Look at this shit, y'all. This shit look good. See you, Devil?
Yes.
For real?
Yes, nigga.
Why this chicken right here so damn big? I thought it was gonna be little. Shit.
Hey, bro.
Put that shit on auto, bro. All that adjusting behind the camera.
Nah,
shit.
sing your song that you was singing on in the car.
Rice and peas, rice and peas, rice and peas, rice and peas. Every bee loves rice and peas. I asked him, was that racist?
It's not
he said,
racist,
He said no.
That's whatever the fuck word.
That's not racist. You're testing out your Jamaican accent.
That sounds Hispanic.
Rice and peas. Like, well, what is that? That's nasty.
Rice, peas, rice and peas.
Bro, you gonna start eating without her, bro? It's a
You know
mukbang.
him, he's fucked up.
Wait.
He always do fuck that shit.
Wait,
I'm
bro.
just surprised.
Just wait.
Go ahead, eat it.
Don't eat it yet, bro. You gotta wait. I understand you hungry. You didn't eat all day.
Ain't no thank you for giving me some.
Did I even see my food
Ain't no
yet?
thank you for
Did
giving
I
me no
even see my
food though.
yet?
Ain't no thank you for giving me some food though. Some goddamn cabbages.
I tell you yes thank you. all
Yes,
the
you tell me
Yes.
yes.
time.
What? That
Thank
shit I be
you.
talking about, bro.
All the time. Ew, your dirty ass hand.
I just wash my shit, bro.
That shit gonna burn your mouth off.
Shit got good, bro.
You gonna get in it?
Do I look like I'm ready to get in there?
Yes.
You had time. You knew where I was.
I didn't know. No, I didn't.
That shit is kind of hot though.
I know. You don't want my sauce on the side though? Seriously?
No.
Bruh. Thank you for my food. I'll be back. Give me a second.
So yeah, man, I just tasted that chicken. That chicken right there good. Let me take my shit. Okay, it's different.
Yeah.
It's different vibe though.
Yeah.
Tell me what you got.
Yeah.
Beefcake ass nigga, sweet ass boy.
Oh my gosh. It was a beef patty, y'all.
That nigga walked in that bitch said, "Let me get a beefcake." They don't get him. He walked in that bitch asked for a beefcake.
That's what they eat.
It's not a beef cake. It's a beef patty.
Oh.
Beef cake.
What is your problem?
No water.
No Bev.
This shit gonna be spicy.
It's good. Yeah, it's good. It's right good as fuck.
It's all good. Sorry.
You know that shit. Yeah, shit you been talking about, huh?
Yes.
I don't know. That nigga, that was waiting for them on for a minute. That was that, bro. This shit good, bro. This shit good. Oh, no. Oh, no. This shit kind of good. Okay.
What, I be eating it every week.
Okay.
Told you.
Golden crust taste like that?
Yeah.
You gonna give me some water. Welcome to the party. No, I don't want this water. You can have that. Welcome to the party. Thank you though for your thought process and shit. Welcome to the party. No. What the fuck is you doing?
You're not ready.
I'm about to get some water.
has gotten more.
Introduce yourself. They don't know you.
Saria.
All that bad shit.
I need a fork. I need a fork. Can you
Like,
throw me
she
a
act like
fork?
she don't know what the fuck going on. Been doing it all day.
No, the fuck I have not. I didn't know you was gonna come in and not greet me and just set up the camera and eat.
She been know what's going on all day, y'all.
I didn't know that.
She needs a fork.
She need a fork? She
Yeah.
got a fork.
Where?
It's in that rolled up napkin.
Thank you. Hazel, what the hell?
Outside over here.
Girl.
So right now I got some jerk chicken. I mean, no, I don't. I got some rice and peas and curry chicken. You feel me?
Y'all niggas should have did a Q&A.
Q&A. That'd be great. You know, my dad later. No, bro. You know, my dad later Instagram don't bullshit. Ask them a question right now. They're gonna come through.
You think they'll come through right now?
Yeah.
Go live. Matter of fact.
Fuck the lie. All I gotta do is post. You pay me phone here.
That curry chicken,
This shit good as fuck.
okay. That one's okay. That one's that good.
I ain't gonna lie, Devo. Is this healthy?
No, nigga, do you see it?
Oh, it's not healthy?
Look, they just put a yellow fluid in your stomach.
It's curvy.
Man, I thought this shit was healthy, bro. I'm like, oh, I finally done found some shit. Hey, y'all, oh, damn, wrong Instagram.
Okay, you get big eating this though.
You get big?
Yeah.
But I want to get healthy too, though.
You can still eat this, just not as often as you're probably thinking.
I thought this shit was healthy because it got beans and the rice and shit.
What do I look like?
Hey, yo, Delivery Game,
Can you
man.
flip it?
Can y'all ask us some questions? Look, this is how you look. Can y'all ask us some questions?
Not on that.
Real quick, so we can do a Q&A on Delivery right now. Outside, wherever here. That's what I'm saying. Rice and peas. Rice and peas.
I need these purple.
Who said that?
You do not know what to do with her, man. Yeah, do a big purple.
Who said that? That you saying that?
This girl in the video.
Big purple.
No, rice and peas.
Oh, me. I can't remember that song. That's my song, shit.
He always coming out with little gay jingles in his head and shit.
They will still didn't open that shit.
How it taste?
Use pliers. I don't think you got
How it taste?
Y'all got some?
It's good. I like this chicken.
I ain't got no damn pliers.
Use scissors then,
I wish I would have put
and like pry it.
my sauce everywhere. It's all good as fuck. What is it right here?
Potato look like.
Damn, I wish it was healthy. I low-key thought it was. I don't know why.
It's yellow.
What do you mean?
It's gonna turn your inside yellow.
Yellow can't be healthy? What about your shit? You got cabbage.
Mine is better. I mean, it's not. Oh yeah, I got cabbage, but I didn't get no cabbage.
She asked me. I ain't think cabbage went with my meal.
They eat that with everything.
That's racist.
That's facts.
Don't you know some Jamaican people? You know Devo from New York?
They're both not from New York.
You so random. You know that?
He is Panamanian.
Exactly.
How I know that?
I figured that shit. You believe that? You
Alright now, you got some Panamanian
You
followers.
hear how his mom talk?
You not Panamanian, nigga. You from New York.
Bro, I can go get the Panama flag on my car.
Where your sister from?
New York.
Where your other sister from?
New York.
Where you from?
I'm from Atlanta.
He the only one.
Me and my brother, we from Georgia.
So the niggas was born in Atlanta all of a sudden. They made a pact when they was younger. We gonna swear we from Atlanta, bro. Don't break the code. Me and you. Outside weather here.
His food is almost gone. This is not a mukbang.
Nigga, didn't you used to live in Chicago?
Nah, I ain't never lived in Chicago.
What was it? Chicago or South Carolina?
Neither one. I ain't never lived in
nowhere.
You
nothing.
want to take over? Y'all got family where?
We used to go to Chicago back in the day.
Exactly. You from Chicago.
We ain't living no damn Chicago.
Oh, me. It was you, Dale,
Ugly,
and Mick.
ugly.
Y'all were all packed up in one car.
See, but you want to be healthy though.
I am, bro. That shit don't taste like nothing.
Exactly. It makes it less hot for me.
This is good as
Not
fuck.
even hot for real, cause you ain't give me no sauce on the side.
Can I ask you some questions yet?
Come on now. You know I just posted that bit, and they coming through. Look,
Not yet.
look. Come on.
They did not just add. Where they at?
Ooh, what the fuck? Outside weather here. Look,
It is.
outside.
She commented that?
Hell nah. I think we said it. Listen. All right, question number 1. Are y'all high right now? Why we gotta be high to eat? Why they think?
I am. I pop me some.
Next question.
Next question.
Tell Dave I'll ask him.
Here, Devil.
Second. Alright, bet. Let me got how many kids y'all want?
Let's say it at the same time. Ready?
3, 2, 1,
1,
3.
10.
Oh wow.
Shit.
No. No.
Let me see. Let me see.
That's a bone.
Who would you let sit in the front seat? Your mom or Surreal?
Sit in the front seat what?
Your
Nigga,
car.
what?
Who I'm letting sit in the front seat? Where we going?
So y'all going to your niece's birthday party, but your mom is here and she want to ride with you, and Saria's here as well. Who you let sit in the front seat?
That's a good question, bro. Whoever the fuck want to sit in the front seat.
Okay. How many times are you supposed to go on dates every month in a relationship?
Every month?
4.
Yeah.
Minimum.
4.
Y'all came up with that together?
Mm-hmm.
4 dates?
Mm-hmm.
Whose idea was this? Yours or hers? Or y'all came? Oh, okay.
They need a good balance.
Yeah. I feel like 4 dates is cool.
Yeah, that's how I said it.
I know.
Mm-hmm.
How long until the wedding?
What? Good laugh. I don't know what he's talking about.
Okay.
We don't have that plan. So I
How
can't
much?
give you a date.
How much do both of y'all make a year?
Oh wow, that's a great question. We're gonna start with her.
Huh? How much do I make a year?
Mm-hmm.
On a good year, probably like 12,000 a month. What?
Outside, way over here.
You go. No, he didn't answer.
Where do you see yourself?
No, he didn't answer. How much you make a year?
How much Avery B make or Avery Brown?
Avery Brown.
Avery Brown, he probably get paid.
Oh, I need to re-answer my question then. We can stick with the 12.
Yeah, we don't go with that. What she said.
Here's a copycat.
When do you want to do a meet and greet?
That's a good question, man. I want to do it like no other though.
I got one in April.
I want to do it hard. I don't know. I want to do some fast shit.
Shit spicy.
If you decided to move out of the state or out of the country, where would it be?
Houston, Texas.
Dubai.
What about out of the country, Avery?
I never been out of the country,
Okay.
so I don't know. I think you know.
Dubai or Houston?
When y'all having y'all first kid?
2024. Boy,
Why
bye.
you do that so damn fast?
Cause that's what you said.
Did you meet her parents yet?
I don't know her parents. I ain't never met your parents yet.
Cause anybody just don't meet my parents. Everybody don't just meet my parents. So, you know, you gotta.
Anybody just don't put their leg on my leg.
You have to like be qualified. You know what I'm saying? You qualified, but you too busy.
I ain't watch that. Anybody just don't put their leg on my head. You should have answered that a little bit better.
That's a valid answer.
What's your most expensive piece of clothing that you own?
Who?
Both of you.
You go first.
I don't have to think. It's a shoe probably.
Oh, shoes count?
Yeah. Nigga, anything that you put on your body to make
I
yourself
think
look
I
nice.
got a $1,600 shoe.
I think I got like a $1,600 shoe as well.
Okay.
Oh no, I got $2,000. No, I got a $4,000 Louis Vuitton bag.
Oh, the bag count? How much
That's
you
my
paid
most
for that bag?
expensive one.
Somebody said. Let me see.
These are questions. It's not giving more. Give me. Come here. Come here.
What advice do y'all have for teenagers?
Don't get into a relationship.
Teenagers,
Be a hoe.
save your money now so when you turn
Don't say no goddamn money.
16, bro, what? A teenager? Come on now. When you turn 16 or 18, you can start to dish out that money that you saved and start businesses and go after your dreams. Start a YouTube channel too
Take some risk.
with your phone.
Take some risk. Get in that fire. Stop being a hoe. Hop in that fire.
What's,
That's what I said.
what's 37 times 17? You got 5 seconds.
I don't know.
No, they don't know.
Okay.
Did they answer it?
Nope.
They don't fucking know.
Can I get a shout out for my YouTube channel?
Shout out to you.
DQ.
DQ.
You know DQ, actually.
This sound familiar.
What's the next car y'all copying?
I don't know.
Corvette Stingray.
It's not like the low one. It's not the base model.
So all C8s, well, not no more actually since the Z06 came out. Tell me why. I talked to my Z06 dealer today, and it was some pretty good news, man. He told me that they got 7 Z06s back, and my name is moving progressively down the list. But I'll be straight with it on Stingray.
Is y'all really dating, or y'all faking it for YouTube?
This shit fake it for. This shit.
What?
This shit some YouTube.
I would never
ass.
do nothing for fake.
This shit YouTube it for. This shit, man, for Instagram and YouTube. When this camera cut off, she go home. This shit Benny. You will never see me with her in real life, ever.
Now that I think about that last part, might not.
That lie.
Would you guys ever come to Jamaica?
Of course, man.
He don't have a passport. They don't have a passport.
What moment made you want to come surreal?
Let me think. So one day, shot at her. I was like, put a ring on.
Alright, I'm gonna put captions so y'all know what that is.
Appreciate it.
Alright. Shit, this last question and then y'all can ask each other questions and shit. Where did you get your food from?
The Jamaican place up the street.
Alright. That's it.
What's your favorite thing about Davo?
I like. Let me think. I like Davo's desire, man. You know, and willingness to put in the work. You know, a lot of people they put in the work 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, but it's hard for people to be consistent with it, man, and try. You know, Davo tries. Davo will put it on the line, man. A lot of people, once they get in that fire, shit get hard, they run.
Shit, my advice to that, shit, tomorrow gonna come, the next day gonna come, the day after that gonna come. Shit, tomorrow it's gonna be a brand new day, so might as well just keep trying. Even if you got down fail.
You still ain't opened that shit?
Nope.
What's your least favorite thing about Davo?
My least favorite thing about Davo.
Let me open it. Just give me a knife.
I'm telling you, this shit is hard.
My least favorite thing about Davo is that shit that he be doing. What else?
It's a feeling, nigga.
In a dishwasher.
So, his timing be fucking terrible
What is
with
it?
certain things.
Man, you seen the last one with Kevin?
Davo, the scissors in the dishwasher.
Who the fuck is Kevin?
You remember yesterday we was at the dealership? Kevin ass?
Mm-hmm.
That shit was funny as hell. My sense of humor is different.
What else I don't like about
I
Davo?
showed
You know,
my mouth.
alright, it's real. Ask me now.
Ask you what?
The same question you asked.
I ain't
me.
done, nigga.
Oh, okay.
I'm still on the shit I don't like. His fucking jokes. Them shit's ass. Sometimes his jokes just be weird as fuck. And he just say gay shit.
What I say?
Bro, I'm not repeating it, bro. Also,
Yeah,
there's
I
a lot
like-
of shit
I
I don't
can't
like about you, nigga.
Man, get off my dick.
You just throw pizza crumbs?
Alright, my turn. Oh shit, it landed?
No. Ask us questions. This is hard, I lied.
I got
Don't cut yourself.
He said he just
Oh yeah, I was thinking about that. If you had like rubber.
You think this
Now you can't open it. That shit is not opening.
shit is unopenable. Ain't no way you can open that bit. Yup. I gotta tell you, nigga. That shit is stuck. You know that? Hey. If you know, you know.
Why the fuck they wouldn't give y'all the opening? Yes, do that.
I forgot to
You think
ask.
that's gonna work?
I was about to do. Like, go outside in the back and smash the shit.
You're hungry ass dog.
YouTube it, bro. I would have been YouTube that shit.
See, that's the thing. Y'all be using YouTube to y'all.
We would've had it
I
open.
don't be liking the goddamn.
What's your favorite? You already know. What's your favorite thing about your hair?
If you ain't got nothing to say, just say it.
I don't got nothing to say. You asked something.
Fuck you left.
It'd be so funny, bro, because I be looking at you and looking at me. It's like 3-dimensional.
Answer.
Answer what?
Ask me something.
Alright, I'm about to ask you a question.
Alright,
We're done. He's done.
Surreal.
Yeah.
Um,
I don't want this no more.
How long have you been here?
What you mean?
Been here, the house, this house.
Without leaving?
Mm-hmm.
One day. We left out yesterday.
do you feel alone when you're by yourself?
Me?
Yes.
No. Lately, I've been enjoying my alone time here because I don't have him.
Are you obsessed with Avery?
You got something on your lip? Am I obsessed?
Not obsessed, but you know, are you obsessed with Avery?
Do you think I'm obsessed with you?
You didn't ask me, you asked you.
Do you think so, though? I admire him.
Okay. Do you want to be in Avery's skin 24/7?
Not 24/7. Maybe like 24/5.
Okay.
Saturday and Sunday now?
No, you can have those days.
Avery, does Surreal annoy you?
Sometimes.
Like, what is she?
But I have great patience though, I think.
Okay.
She annoyed me when she started doing weird shit, bro. Like, she had a spray bottle earlier and she just started spritzing my face. Like, what are you doing, bro? It just be like little weird shit like that.
Be in your face, Sprit. He's so gay.
Why do I laugh so loud?
What's one thing that you don't like about Surreal?
What?
Her when she started trying to drink and shit.
Oh.
That shit, ugh.
What's one
Bro.
thing that you don't like about Avery?
Oh, one thing I don't like about him.
Yeah.
Sometimes he just doesn't know. Some things he just doesn't know. That's all.
Like what?
Like when you came in, you started eating. If I would have never came out that room, you would have been was eating. Little shit like that. Like you don't know that it's rude to, come inside and not speak. Little shit like that.
Nigga, this my fucking house. What you talking about? Who want to speak to
Hey,
me?
yo, me! I've been here all day.
Come in my house.
There you go. You get what I'm saying?
Come in my house and
When you come inside, you speak to whoever's in the side.
I get.
Like if I was on the couch, you ain't gonna say nothing, bitch, this is my house. No, you would say, hey. Well, you should say. Should say, hey. So that's little shit, and he ignorant about it. Next question.
How was the food?
It was okay.
Okay.
Did you taste it?
Nope.
It's straight.
1 out of 10.
7.
I liked it. You wanna know something about Surreal?
What?
What? He didn't ask that.
Tell me something about Surreal.
You ride dick.
Alright, look. This is something about Surreal. If I buy her food, she ain't gonna like it like that. But if she buy her food, she gonna eat the whole thing every time. No cap.
So she wasted all your food.
She wastes the food that I buy.
I don't waste it. I'm gonna eat it later.
How do you feel about that?
No, the fuck you not.
How do I feel about him saying that?
No, Avery, how do you feel about that?
What?
That she doesn't eat the food?
I'm about to stop buying her shit.
Gotta let her figure it out. Okay.
She a independent young woman. Independent black woman.
Buy her own food.
She got it. Look at the nails. By herself. I pay for the nails.
Probably did.
God damn it.
He ain't pay for these damn nails. When the last time you paid for
I
mine?
paid
You
for
know
the
damn well you ain't paid
I
for
paid for the nails.
He did not pay
I
for
pay
the
for the
fucking
toes.
nails. Yeah, you pay for my toes.
Same shit.
$20.
Same shit.
Does Avery suck toes?
Yup.
No, fuck I don't. That cat man. I do not suck toes.
Avery.
I do not suck toes.
Okay.
I suck toes?
You don't suck toes.
I don't do me like. I don't. Now it look bad, cause now do I suck toes? Like it look bad
You
now.
don't think you suck toes?
No.
You never suck my toes?
No. I suck your toes. I suck your toes.
Avery.
How many times suck your toes?
You probably sucked my toes like 5 times.
Alright, bro, you lying now, bro. You lying now, bro. You lying,
Okay,
bro.
maybe 5 or
Man,
6,
watch out, bro.
Maybe 4. I swear, it don't be like on no like kinky shit though. We'll just be chilling.
Yo, so you took your board and just started sucking up my word.
I don't like you, like we not cool. Cause you lying. I just suck your toes when we chill.
Not every time.
No.
That's cap, bro.
He do like feet though.
What, bro? How you just gonna sit here and lie with me like that though? 4 times is
It's
crazy.
the fact that I'm just go with him. I'm lying, y'all.
He said Muhammad just go with him.
And then that don't make it no better, bro. I saw some shit.
Saria, do you like toes?
No,
How do you feel about Avery's toes?
I don't like his toes. His feet are white. Like you see his facial color. His feet is my color. No, you're ugly.
Nigga shit don't get no sunlight.
And then they be ashy.
You buy people food, they talk shit, y'all. You see this shit?
He's asking me real questions. I'm answering them honestly.
How do you feel about Avery's hair before the dreads? Cause you know he doing better now. But before the dreads.
Oh, before the dreads, I didn't like it.
Oh.
I liked it when I started to help him out with it.
Okay.
It started to look better. But at first, that was one of his bad qualities.
Okay.
It wasn't bad though. Everything go together.
Okay. Avery, how has Saria helped you out in life?
She fucking had it. You made this shit worse. Fuck her.
Fuck you.
How has Saria helped you out in life?
Him?
No. Avery needs to answer the question.
I have a lot of food. You wanna help me?
She got you a small.
Yeah.
How has Saria helped me in life?
Mm-hmm.
Don't do me like that.
Nigga said, fuck, I gotta come up with something. I was just playing.
She has good morals.
If I hear that one.
She bought you a tongue scraper.
There we go.
Okay.
She bought me a tongue scraper. I didn't know what a tongue scraper was. Do y'all know what tongue scrapers are?
I'm pretty sure they do.
No, there's a lot of people that didn't know this.
Yeah, I didn't know till Shalea told me like a year ago. So.
David, did you know before today?
Yeah.
I didn't know about them.
I used to use my toothbrush.
You got any more questions, man? Or
What's the next A&B video?
Oh yeah, check your Instagram.
Instagram probably came through. Ask you and the fucking editors, man. I probably be having some shit here. I'm full.
Just eat it a little bit.
I'm full.
A little bit.
I'm full, bro.
Avery.
I'm full, bro.
Stop calling
Are the
me.
people around you pushing you to become a better version of yourself?
You answer first.
Can you go first?
I would say yes. I get motivated by the slightest of things.
I'm gonna say yes.
Oh shit.
That shit got my stomach feeling good though, boy. Like
4-hour studio session on me, twin. I got some custom sauce for you.
What?
Nigga said 4-hour studio session on him.
You ain't just hear about that story, bro?
No,
I ain't going to that shit.
4-hour studio
I
session.
ain't doing that shit. You ain't just hear about that little story.
No.
Ain't about to catch me up.
When Saria gonna swing Davo one of her friends?
I've tried multiple times.
Oh, the
actually.
fuck you haven't?
Cap.
You ain't never tried shit. All that cap ass shit. What the fuck is trying?
Why she be trying to do
Being
that?
there? That's trying? That's not trying, sweetheart.
I literally
It's not trying.
told one of my friends.
Cool. Whisper.
Oh, I like Davo.
Whisper.
Davo. It's the only one, Pookie. One thing about my friends, we're not gonna all gun for the same nigga. Sorry.
So who the fuck gun for him?
Nobody gun for him, but
So what the
nobody.
fuck you talking about?
No, not one of my friends.
Somebody gunning for me?
No, Davo. I didn't. Those wrong choice of words.
Alright.
What I meant to say was, give
You
him
never
a
threw-
chance.
You never threw him a lot.
Give him a
never
chance.
threw me a lot.
Give him a chance
You
to
never
hear him out, and he fucking fumbled the shit.
When?
Huh?
You never
So
told
that
me.
means-
You never said.
Yes, the fuck I did.
Who?
The only one.
Who?
That's cap.
That's not cap, and I'm telling y'all. Anyway, so that's and this is another reason. This is why. Next question.
This is why what?
Stop it! But I'm weird. Stop it! Put my eyes on you. Stop it.
Stop.
Say I won't.
Are you gonna get the vet back?
See it in August. Like the video. Watch the process.
Your nail.
45 times 12.
This shit hurt, bro.
Mm-mm.
I'm not answering no damn math questions, man. Dave, I got a question for you.
What up?
Bitch, what up?
Why you so gay?
Hey, bro, stop fucking playing with me, nigga. I got a question for you, nigga.
What's up?
Why the hell you so fucking antisocial?
Oh, I'm not, man.
I don't ever see that part of you. You don't give me antisocial.
Exactly.
You give me a butterfly. But I'm not really out with
She
you.
be giving you butterflies and shit. Stop with the serious shit.
I know, right?
Maybe you want to be serious 24/7.
Always try to be serious.
You think he top G? You think he's where he top G? Top G. Man, what the hell?
I don't see this part of him. What is the fuck is a serious Avery? It's like rare.
You try to act serious and shit.
You fucking weirdo.
This shit raw and uncut, shawty.
Watch out.
Okay, let me think of a good question.
How do you get confident talking to the camera and filming in public?
You just
Let
do
me
it.
look. Let me look too.
You can look right here. You
Okay,
gotta
make
grab
it
the phone
bigger.
and look. That's the question. So for me, you just do it repetition. Like, you know what I'm saying? The more you do it, the more comfortable it is. Like right now, I do it in the airport. The flight attendant lady was like, what you was talking about talking to that camera in the airport?
Oh, me? So I just pretend like everybody else is naked. I'm just playing. That's what I used to do in the beginning. But now,
What?
I just don't look at them because I really don't give a fuck. So I just don't look at them, act like they're not there.
If you could have dinner with anyone dead, who would it be? That's what it say.
My grandma.
Oh, so cute, so sweet.
Yeah.
Bob Proctor. Bob Proctor. Yeah, nigga. What up?
Probably speaker knockers.
What the fuck you gonna talk about?
You like that beat, bro?
Man, what? I'd be like, bro, twin, boy, you was ahead of your time, my boy.
Oh, that's so cute.
So you're not gonna gain anything from that conversation.
Sometimes you just want to have the experience, you know?
I mean, yeah, I just want to talk to my grandma.
Like, imagine talking to Kobe.
You can learn something.
I can
Yeah,
learn
think
something.
you learn something speaking artist?
Hell yeah.
About music. What?
Man, speaking of, gonna teach you how to get that money.
Yeah.
Not for the hoe.
Ew. Hey. Outside weather. Here. Thank you for watching this video, man. It was a great experience tasting that food. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. On to the next vlog. Y'all stay tuned. Join my stream.